Hello, I'm going to show you a very simple chain stitch. So to start off with, I'm going to use this really pretty light green yarn. And I'm going to start off with a slip knot. So the slip knot is make the circle, make the circle, put another little loop inside and pull it through. So there's my slip knot. I'm going to put my crochet hook inside the knot and pull it tight, but not too tight, just so that it's loosely moving up and down the crochet hook. Now I'm going to start the chain stitch. So I'm going to start by holding my yarn. I'm going to give myself some slack, so I've got a bit of spare yarn so that it doesn't pull tight. Okay, and then I'm going to link it around my little finger just to hold it, and then I'm going to be able to control the yarn as I make the stitch. Okay, so I'm going to start by looping my hook under the yarn and then pulling it through that first slip knot, and that's my first chain. And I'm going to do the same, put the hook under the yarn and loop it through the last chain, and again loop it underneath the yarn and put it through the chain. Okay, so nice and slowly loop it under the yarn, put it through the chain, the last chain, and one more time under the yarn and put it very gently through under the last chain. One more go, under the yarn and put it through the chain. Okay, and then you end up with a very, very neat, tidy little chain of stitches, hence the name chain stitch. And if you wanted to finish that off, then you would simply cut your yarn and then you would pull it through, and that will finish your chain. And you can make it as long as you need to make it for your crochet project. And you have your nice little chain there. Thank you for watching.